Today I am going to explain how flags gets affected when a bigger number is subtracted from a smaller number. For that purpose you have to understand what exactly subtraction is, how it takes place. Already we studied this part in primary, but again I am going to revise it. Here you are having 342 rupees with you. You are having 347 rupees with you, and you have to return 57 rupees. How much amount will remain with you? That part we are going to calculate. You are having 342 rupees with you. That means you are having 2 coins of 1 rupees, 4 notes of 10 rupees and 3 notes of 100 rupees. You are having 2 coins, but you have to return 7 coins. You are not having sufficient number of coins. For that purpose, what you will do, as you are having 4 10 rupees note, you will give 1 10 rupees note. As you give 1 10 rupees note, you are having now 3 10 rupees note, and for that 1 10 rupees note, you will get 10 coins. That 10 coins plus already you are having 2 coins, the total number of coins become 12. Now you are having 12 coins and you have to return 7 coins. That means how many coins you are remaining with you. From 7 count up to 12. From 7 count up to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you are having 12 coins, 7 coins you return, now remaining coins with you, that is equal to 5. Again here is the case, now you are having 3 10 rupees notes and you have to pay 5 notes. Again this is not possible. Again what you will do, 1 note from 100 rupees, you will change it. Now you remain 2 notes from 100 and you will get 10 10 rupees notes. Already you are having 3 notes of 10 rupees, total it becomes 13. Now you are having 13 10 rupees notes. Now from 5 count up to 13. From 5 count up to 13. After 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here the number is 8. And how many rupees, 100 rupees note remain with you? The 100 rupees note remain with you, that is equal to 2. Now same logic is to be applied when a bigger number is to be subtracted from a smaller number. For example, consider a 02 number is present in accumulator. Now this number is represented in hexadecimal form. And from that 02, we are going to subtract a 04 number. 02 number is in accumulator, which is in hexadecimal form, and you are going to subtract a number 04. 2 is less than 4, we cannot subtract, we have to borrow from it, from here, but here also number is not there, so you have to borrow from here. Borrow from here, that means you are going to borrow it from a carry flag. In subtraction, a carry flag acts as a borrow. In subtraction, a carry flag acts as a borrow. You borrow it from here. Now here it becomes 10. You borrow it from here, it becomes 10. Now from 10 you have to borrow to the least significant digit place. You borrow 1 from this place to least significant digit place, you will get 10. Already you are having 2 with you, it becomes 12 with you, and from you borrow 1, here it becomes F. Here you will get the number as F. Now from 4 to 12, you have to count from 4 to 12. You have to count from 4 to 12. I will show in a different color. You have to count from 4 to 12. As you have to count from 4 to 12 in hexadecimal form, from 4 I am going to count up to 1 2 in hexadecimal form. Just listen here, just go through the screen which you are appearing here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 A B C D E. You will get number as E. You will get number as E. Now here from F you are going to subtract 0. You will get here answer as F. You will get answer as F. That means in accumulator you will get a number Fe. In accumulator you will get a number Fe. If we write this number in terms of a binary form, how you will write this number in terms of binary form? Here you will get 1 1 1 1. That is for F. And for E you will get a 1 1 1 and here a 0 and here 0. Now depending upon the answer the flags are set and reset. Depending upon the answer the flags are set and reset. Here the most significant digit is 1. Here the most significant digit is 1. That means answer is negative. Therefore sign flag will set. Therefore sign flag will set. Answer is not 0. Therefore 0 flag will reset. Next is don't care condition. Auxiliary carry, we are not, carry is not generated. Therefore auxiliary carry will reset. Here again don't care condition. Now parity. For parity flag, if 1 is present even number of times, then parity flag will set. But here 1 is present 7 times, that is odd number of times. Therefore parity flag will reset. Here carry acts as a borrow. You are taking a borrow from that particular carry flag. Therefore here carry flag will set. Therefore here carry flag will set.